Hello and namaste to everyone. I hope everyone is doing great out there. And I welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making simple dry chicken recipe which is really easy to make. So let's get started with the cooking process. Heat the oil in a pan, then add cumin seeds. Or you can use whole garam masala spices. But today I'm just using cumin seed. And once it starts to splutter, add your chopped onion, or you can use sliced onion. It's a personal choice. Mix well and fry until it turns to light golden brown. Now our onion already turns to light golden brown. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Mix well and cook for another 30 seconds so the raw flavor of ginger garlic paste goes away. Now I'm adding turmeric powder and Kashmiri chili powder. Adding turmeric and chili powder at this stage gives nice color to chicken. Mix well. Add your chicken pieces. Salt for taste. Mix well and cook for at least 15 minutes on medium flame with lid on. Keep stirring in between so the meat doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes of cooking, our chicken loses most of the water. Now, I'm adding chopped tomatoes. Or you can use tomato puree. It's your personal choice. Cumin powder, coriander powder. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame with lid on, so the spices cooks properly. After 5 minutes of cooking, our chicken is ready. Let's garnish our chicken with some chopped cilantro. Look at this, yummy chicken is ready to be served. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.